How to change the direction of plants in Unreal Engine 5. In our theme, I have already have the landscape, and now I select the foliage mode and just the tree into here. Because I have drawn it before, so I need to cancel it. And now, and click here and select our tree. Open it and click it, and we can change the paint intensity and brush size is okay. I place it, and you can see the tree's direction is not what I want, and I select all and remove, and I drive it down, and here orange to normal, and we pay it again. Yeah, its tree's direction is changed. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.